In this video, we'll show you how to replace your airbag indicator light on this Mercury Grand Marquis. Let's get started. The airbag indicator light is located on the passenger side dash in this trim panel. To gain access to it, we're going to remove this entire trim panel coming across the dash. This job can easily be done using a plastic trim tool and a small pocket screwdriver. With that said, make sure you have your passenger side door open. Once you've done that, we'll continue on with the trim tool and carefully start separating this from the dash, making our way across. At this point, once you have it broken free, you can pull this away from the dash a little bit and flip it up. And there it is, right behind there. Continue on to removing the wiring from this. For the wiring, you'll find that it has a little squeeze tab. Press that in with your index finger and gently pull it out. Once you do, give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, set it aside. Once the wiring's off of there, we'll continue on removing the indicator light from the trim panel. You'll be using your small pocket screwdriver. Along each side of the lamp assembly, you're going to find that you have a black tab holding this in place. Carefully use your small pocket screwdriver, get in between the black tab and the indicator lamp assembly, and gently pry it. While I pry that, I'm going to try pulling it away a little bit, and then I'll do the same on the other side. It should want to pop free. There's one side. I can pull this right out of here. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready for our installation. Let's put this in place up against the trim panel, making sure that the area for the electrical connector is facing towards us while we press this into position. Listen for a click and give it a tug to make sure it's secured to the trim piece. Assuming that feels good, continue on to the wiring. We've got our little locking tab here. That's going to be facing towards the dash. Press it in, listen for a click, and make sure that's secure as well. Now it's time to resecure the trim piece to the dash itself. Looking at the trim, you'll find that you have several tabs that need to fit into their corresponding holes inside the dash. We'll get everything lined up and then slide it into place. Okay, friends, go ahead and put the key in the on position and test the lamp indicator functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.